So Charlie, happy birthday.
Thank you very much.
How old are you?
70.
How is it the health of the geological community in your view?
I think the geological community is still doing very well. I think it's like most things these days, post-COVID, there's maybe more stress, there's more uncertainty. People are not any longer planning on working 10, 15, 20 years with one company. They're moving around a lot, and I think that reflects in stress in a way, and maybe less kind of long-range creative thinking and research planning. Been through a phase where we're trying to increase diversity, increase other parts of the profession that really weren't the way it was 20 years ago, 30 years ago when I started working here. So that, we're evolving. I think maybe geologists are maybe a little bit more traditional and slow than other professions, but I see a lot of positive change.
Is there anything that we can do in the geological community to improve it?
Endless things. I think, the societies I work with, I think they're finally recognizing their demographics are way shifted in the older direction, and it need to involve youth, and that's just such a positive and important aspect. I go to APG, SEPM meetings, and it's really an older community, whereas if you go to AGU and some of those societies, you can really see the difference in age.